How to make Olympic chocolate muffins. Want to bake the perfect chocolate muffins inspired by the Olympic spirit? Follow this easy recipe for rich, moist muffins that everyone will love. Gather your ingredients you'll need. 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, ½ cup cocoa powder, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup milk, ½ cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3/4 cup chocolate chips. Preheat your ovens. Set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease it lightly. Mix dry ingredients in a large bowl. Sift together the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. This ensures your muffins will be light and fluffy. Combine wet ingredients in another bowl. Whisk the eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract until smooth and well blended. Combine wet and dry mixtures. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined, don't overmix. The batter should be thick but smooth. Add chocolate chips. Fold in the chocolate chips evenly through the batter to add that irresistible chocolatey goodness. Fill muffin cups. Spoon the batter into your muffin tin, filling each cup about 2/3 full for perfect rise and shape. Bake and test. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes. Check doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean or with a few moist crumbs. Cool and serve. Let muffins cool in the tin for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. Serve warm or at room temperature for the best flavor. Enjoy your Olympic chocolate muffins. These muffins are perfect for sharing during sports events, celebrations, or anytime you crave a chocolate treat. Subscribe for more delicious recipes. Subscribe now for more easy and tasty recipes to brighten your kitchen and your day.